What is the chemical symbol for gold?
Gold.
What is the chemical symbol for gold? You don't know? Give a mic, you go back. What is the chemical symbol of for gold? You don't know?
Yes.
Which planet is the hottest in our solar system? Which planet is the hottest in our solar system? You don't know? Give a mic, go back. Which organ is the human body is responsible for pumping blood? Which
Heart.
organ in human
Heart.
body? Which organ in the
Heart.
human body is responsible for pumping blood?
Heart.
Heart. Right answer. Class for her. You take one. You give a mic. You go back. Who invented the first practical telephone? Who invented the first practical telephone? You don't know? Give a mic. You go back. What is the process by which plants make food?
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Right answer. Clap for her. You take one. Which planet has the most moons in the solar system? Which planet has the most moons in the solar system?
Saturn.
Wrong answer. Your mic go back. What gas do human exhale during respiration? What gas do humans
Carbon
exhale
dioxide.
during respiration? Don't say.
Carbon dioxide.
Right answer. Clap for her. Take one. What type of energy is delivered from the sun? What type of energy is delivered from the sun?
Solar.
हाँ
Solar.
हाँ
Solar.
बोल से अच्छे से बोल.
Solar.
सोलर एनर्जी. क्या? सोलर एनर्जी. राइट आंसर. टेक वन. Who was the last viceroy of India? Who was the last viceroy of India?
Lord Mountbatten.
Mount
Button.
Button. Right answer. Take one. Who is the teacher of the Kauravas and Pandavas?
Dronacharya.
Dronacharya. Right answer. Take one. You go back. Okay. Which avatar of Lord Vishnu saved the earth by lifting it from the ocean? Which avatar of Lord Vishnu saved the earth by lifting it from the ocean? Don't know? Give a mic, go back. Which avatar of Lord Vishnu saved the earth by lifting it from the ocean?
Kachapa.
Wrong answer. Which avatar of Lord Vishnu saved the earth by lifting it from the ocean? Wrong answer. Give a mic, go back. Which demon did goddess Durga defeat in fierce battle? You have to say clearly.
Mahishasura.
Mahishasura. Which demon did goddess Durga defeat in a fierce battle? Mahishasura. Right answer. Claps for her. Take one and go back. What is the name of the mountain that Lord Hanuman carried to deliver medicinal herbs to heal Lakshmana? What is the name of the mountain that Lord Hanuman carried to deliver medicinal
Gandhar.
herbs to heal Lakshman?
Gandhar. Gandhar.
Which mountain?
Gandhar.
Good. Who was the son of the Pandavas who fought bravely in the Kurukshetra war but died young? Who was the son of the Pandavas?
Abhimanyu.
Abhimanyu. Right answer. Take one. You go back. Which god is known for his cosmic dance called the Tandava? Which god is known for his cosmic dance called the
Shiva.
Tandava?
Shiva.
Shiva. Lord Shiva. Right answer. Take one, you go back. Which warrior from the Mahabharata had unbreakable armor given by the sun god?
Option.
Which warrior from the Mahabharata had unbreakable armor given by the sun god?
Karna.
Karna. Right answer. Take one. You go back. Take one and go back. Who was the blind king in the Mahabharata? Who was the blind king in the Mahabharata?
Dhritarashtra.
Dhritarashtra. Right answer. Take one. Okay. What is the name of the bow used by Lord Rama? What is the name of the bow used by Lord Rama? कौन सा धनुष राम के द्वारा पकड़ा जाता था? पकड़ा जाता है. What is the name of the bow used by Lord Rama? You don't know?
Shiva.
Wrong. Go back. Who invented the airplane? Who discovered the law of gravity? Who discovered the law of gravity? Don't know, go back. Give a mic. Who discovered the law of gravity?
Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton. Right answer. Take one. Who invented the first successful vaccine for polio? Who invented the first successful vaccine for polio? Don't know? Go back. What is the capital of Japan? What is the capital of Japan?
Tokyo.
Tokyo. Right answer. Okay. What is the capital of Russia? What is the capital of Russia? What is the capital of France?
France.
What is the capital of France?
Paris.
Paris. Right answer. Take one, you and go back. Which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
Mars. Right answer. Take one. Give her mic and you go back. What is the largest mammal in the world? What is the largest mammal in the world?
No.
Blue whale. Right answer. Clap for her. In what year did the Titanic sink? In what year did the Titanic sink? In which year did World War II end? In which year did World War II end?
1945.
1945.
45.
Right answer. Clap for her and you take one. Go back. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? What is the smallest planet in our solar system?
Pluto.
You don't. Okay. Go back. Give a mic. Wrong answer. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere?
Nitrogen.
Wrong. Give a mic and you go back. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Right answer. Clap for her. Take one. What is the main organ of the human circulatory system? What is the main organ of the human circulatory system? Don't know, go back. What is the tallest mountain in the world? What is the tallest mountain in the world? Don't know? You go back. Who was the first person to step on the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
Neil Armstrong. Right answer. Clap for her. What is the tallest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest.
Mount Everest. Okay. Right answer. In which continent is the Sahara Desert located? In which continent
Africa.
is the Sahara?
Africa.
Right answer. Take one. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun?
Japan.
Japan. Right answer. Take one. What is the boiling point of water in degrees Celsius? What is
100
the
degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius? Okay, right answer. Clap for her. What chemical element has the symbol H? What chemical
Hydrogen.
element has the symbol H?
Hydrogen.
Say loudly.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. Right answer. Take one. What is the process called when a liquid turns into a gas? What is the process called when a liquid turns into a gas?
Evaporation.
Evaporation. Right answer. Clap for her. How many blocks are there in Angul district? How many blocks are there in Angul district?
9.
What is the full form of NCERT?
National Council Education.
You don't know properly. Give a mic, you go back. What is the full form of NCERT?
National.
You don't know. What is the square root of 144? What is the square root of 144? Say loudly.
12.
Right answer. Class for her. How many degrees are there in a circle? How many degrees are there in a circle?
360.
Huh?
360.
360 degrees. Right answer.